Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm continuing with my Easter and spring decorating, and I will be working on my living room, adding some floral touches, a touch of spring, as well as some bunnies and some Easter eggs. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get right into it. As I typically do, I start with a clean slate. I take all of the previous decor off, dust and clean everything, so that way I have an empty canvas to decorate as I please. Sometimes I do reference back to my videos prior years, just to kind of see what I did, maybe not to repeat it, or if I really loved it, I'll repeat it. This is brand new to me. It is a basket from Home Sense that I picked up for my olive tree that I purchased for myself for Christmas, and I'm going to be adding this basket and into the corner and the olive tree into it. I did use this olive tree in my winter decor. However, I did not like the basket that was in it, so I ended up buying this one. This was fairly inexpensive and I love the look. I think it brings a touch of warmness and softness into the room. I think the green plants, adding green plants into your room add so much warm touches, but unfortunately I'm not that great with keeping them alive, so I always resort to artificial plants as well as artificial florals. I am not an overly huge fan of fresh florals. However, my daughter's boyfriend is very fond of them and tends to buy them, so I always have fresh florals on my counter, which drives me a little bit bonkers. So over here on my mantle, I am deciding which way to go. So I have these flowers, and I also tried the dark leaf greens, and I'm also going to try the forsythias. I settled on forsythias. I think that's what they're called. And but I would love to know which one of the three you preferred. It was a pretty hard decision between these flowers and the next set of flowers, but I ended up being the yellow flowers that I settled on to. But let me know. I would love to know which look you preferred better. Also, if you are stopping by my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Sonja, and this is my decorating channel. I share lots of home decor, and then I sprinkle in some home organization as well as cleaning and decluttering. If you enjoy these type of videos, I would love it if you consider subscribing to this channel and making sure you press the notification bell so you get notified when new uploads come up. And also, if you want to go one step further, you can check out all my other channels. I have a cooking channel, which I'm slowly getting back into. I have a DIY channel that I create a lot of the home decor on there. And then I also have which I was going to use it as a lifestyle channel just because I love sharing things with you guys, and YouTube is funny with niching, so I create a lifestyle channel. I was going to share day in the life and things like that, but that channel has seemed to take in life of its own with the daycare content. So if you are a homeschooler, or maybe run a home daycare or anything like that, make sure you check it out, because I share a lot of content all surrounding that particular topic. All the links are in the description box if you want to check them out. So now I'm going to add the yellow flowers. I think these are called forsythias. Correct me, I might be wrong. I do not know my flowers, but the reason why I settled onto these is I do use these to decorate my front porch at this time of the year as well, and I think it just ties everything in. I also use them in my dining room. I did get them in Dollarama for, I think back then they were only $1, and I think they're a great quality. I've had them for many years, and I just love how natural and earthy they look. I don't know if that's the right description, but that's how I feel that they look, natural and earthy. Let me know what you guys think. Now I'm going to be working on the other side of the mantle and just trying to figure out what I like here. These candelabras came from Home Sense, and I have a little DIY bunny that I was going to add here, and then I'm going to work on the other side. I always struggle with fireplaces. I wish I was one of those people that would just place things and then voila, it just looks beautiful. But it is quite the process for me to figure out what I like, and I like sharing the process with you because I'm sure I'm not the only one that changes things around about 1,000 times. Let me know if you guys have that knack for just decorating it once and it looks perfect, or do you change it out 1,000 times before you settle on what you like? So I think I'm finally happy with this look. So I did place the candelabras back onto the coffee table. This is where they were originally, and I'm going to add this boxwood plant. I think this screams to me anyways Easter and spring, and I just love the way these three things look together. On this little side table, I'm just going to add a smaller version of that boxwood plant, and this one came from Dollarama, and I like how this whole corner looks. Now over on this side, you guys, I cannot find the pictures that go onto this table. I've had some family photos that I've kept year after year here, and I cannot find them ever since I took them down in fall and decorated for Christmas. I cannot find them. If you caught me doing something with them, if you've watched my videos, my Christmas decorate with me videos, please let me know, because for the life of me, I have no idea where they went. So I've been trying to add more decor on this side table, but I really liked the pictures. It had my kids, and then it also had a picture of my father-in-law who passed away many years ago with my kids, and it was just such a nice little picture setting on this table, but for the life of me, I do not know where I put them. So after this DIY vase and some greenery from Dollarama, and then I'm going to be adding a little DIY bowl that I also DIY'd or made over on my DIY channel. It was a thrifted bowl that I painted over. But before I move on to that, I did notice that some of the greenery was looking a little out of whack, so I just came in and tried fixing. And that's what I do. I put things down and then I kind of walk away, stand back and see what I like. I try to look at it from every angle and make sure I like it from every angle the way it looks. And once I'm happy with the way things look, then I move on. So here's that bowl, and I'm going to add some speckled Dollar Tree eggs in it. I love these eggs. I use them all throughout. I use white ones, speckled ones, and then I also have solid color ones. And I think the speckled ones came from Dollar Tree, and then the white ones and the solid colored ones came from Dollarama. And I must have about 100 of them, so I do use them all around. I was so worried when the dogs were little puppies that they were gonna chew them all, but I only lost a pumpkin, never lost an egg. And the daycare kids never come into this room or touch any of those eggs, and they have plenty in their sensory bins in the room that they are in. So here it is. I love those twine little carrots. I think those came from Michael's, if I remember correctly. And now moving on to the other side, I'm just going to add pillows to this couch. I just use the same pillows that I always do. I just think these work. I tried adding more brighter colored pillows for spring. They just don't look right on this couch. However, I am adding this lumber pillow. This is probably one of my most favorite pillows I have ever gotten. Came from HomeSense, and it matches the blanket that's in my front foyer. I must have talked about this 1,000 times already in my previous videos, but it is the kind of my home's color scheme. Inspiration was that blanket, so I like using this pillow kind of just to tie the two together, and it just everything flows so good, I think. Anyways, well, I think this pretty much concludes my decorating living room video. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you stay tuned. Next video will be my front porch. Hopefully the weather will stay warm for me to do that, because I still have those Christmas trees on the front porch and it's just not looking right now. However, we are supposed to get snow on Sunday still, so Christmas trees aren't that far off. But anyhow, stay tuned for that video and let me know what you guys think about this living room decorated with me. Definitely a lot less decor than previous years, but I do love it. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Thanks for watching.